Today's analysis is on gold. I want to see the opportunity that lies ahead of us in this precious metal. So let's begin with our 4 hours time frame chart. Remember, my goal always is to help you become profitable trading forex just with your phone. So looking at this chart, we're already seeing that gold has been in a downward trend. And how do we know? We are seeing the swing highs and swing lows. However, the last low which we've just experienced is not lower than the previous low. So we're having, instead of a new swing low, we're having equal lows. So when you experience equal lows in a downward trend, it's an indication that the bears have lost momentum, telling us that there is a very likelihood of trend reversing. And also, we can see a long bullish engulfing candle that just formed in the last 4 hours. So what do you do from here? Let's mark out our recent zones. So this was the last swing low. Here is the last swing high. This is an equal low, which is telling us that the bears have lost momentum. So now that we've marked out our swing lows and swing highs, and also observing that we are now having equal lows, we didn't establish a new swing low. It therefore means that we will be turning our attention to short-term bullish reversal, a short-term bullish trend. So I will go to 1 hour time frame to see where we can join this move to start going up, and our target will be this most recent swing high. We want to see if this most recent swing high will be taking off. If it is taking off, then we will be moving higher. But if it's not, if it is respected, then we may now come down to have a new low, which will be lower than this equal low that we're having here. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame to see if we can spot any opportunity to trade, to go bullish. So here is the 1 hour time frame. It's still showing the same zones that we have in the 4 hours time frame. When you look at this 1 hour time frame, first you will observe that we're having what we call a double bottom. Is just a formation of a double bottom, and down here we are observing that there is a swing high here in this last wave. We're having a swing high here, and that swing high have been taken off with this new 1 hour candlestick that just formed, and the price is now retracing. So at this point, we know that we are up for a bullish move, and that our initial target will be around 1722, 1725 region. So the question now will be when to join. As you can see that this most recent swing high in this 1 hour time frame has been broken by this last green candlestick, but now it's now retracing to that point. Let me mark this point that I'm talking about. So here is the swing high in the 1 hour time frame. When we extend it, we'll have something like this. So price is retesting that swing high. We may also go down to 15 minutes to see how far price will go low. We'll be looking for any bearish or bullish confirmation for us to join the bulls. So let's check 15 minutes time frame to see where we can join the bullish trend. So here is the same gold chart in the 15 minutes time frame. It's very obvious that this most recent swing high in the 1 hour time frame has been broken. It has been broken by this, and price is now on its way up. So how do you trade this? If you want to be more aggressive, you can enter a long position right now with your stop loss just below this most recent equal low. However, if you want to be more conservative, you will see that we have another swing high in this 15 minutes time frame, swing high and swing low. So in this 15 minutes time frame, we can see that we have another swing high here. So we should be looking for how price will react at this point. This is a swing high and this is a swing low. This is a swing low in the 15 minutes time frame. So to be more conservative right now, the best option would be to wait for price to come down to this 15 minutes previous swing high that has been broken to see how price will react at that point. So here is what it looks like. Our strategy now is that we're waiting for price to get to around 1699 area, 1699.05 area. Then we'll be taking a long with our stop loss just around 1690. Our initial target will be around 1720, 1725 area. So we're having about risk reward ratio of about 1:2.5. So in summary, gold is on its way to a short-term bullish trend to correct the very long-term bearish trend that we've seen in the 4 hours time frame, and we are looking for a place to enter the market. And we've just said that we can join this bullish move conservatively from this 15-minute swing high and with our stop loss in the most recent swing low. But aggressively, we can even enter a buy immediately, just that the risk reward ratio will be reduced. If it breaks this 4 hours time frame swing high, then a double bottom has been completed and we'll have further room up to go. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel.